This episode of Photonics Hot List is brought to you by Aerotech, precision motion control and automation. Take control, speed, precision, performance.
Hello, I'm Justine Murphy with Laser Focus World. Let's take a look at some of the amazing things happening in photonics. While biomedical researchers now have a better understanding than ever before of the brain, there are still so many unknowns when it comes to some of its functions. But a novel microscopy technique is forging a new path into those intricacies. Developed by a team at Rockefeller University in New York, light beads microscopy is a two-photon imaging technique designed to simultaneously record the activity of interconnected neurons. The researchers say this presents the true dimensionality of brain dynamics, something that has been difficult with current technology's inability to record sufficiently large numbers of neurons. In mouse testing, the technology has already shown a 100-fold increase in the number of neurons it can record at one time. The team also found that the thousands of dimensions observed, which contain more than half of cumulative neural activity, were spread across the animal's brain without forming distinct clusters in any one region. In fact, over 90% of those dimensions observed were not even connected to any spontaneous movements or sensory inputs. The team plans to expand the applicability of its light beads microscopy beyond mice to further test and enhance the technology. What if an entire tabletop-sized system used for precision timing could be as small as a digital memory card? Well, it's happening, and it could potentially revolutionize how light and microwaves are harnessed for practical applications. A team led by the National Institutes of Standards and Technology has created compact chips that can seamlessly convert light into microwaves. This development involved directing a semiconductor laser into a reference cavity. Inside, some light frequencies are matched to the size of the cavity itself before a frequency comb converts the stable light into microwaves. The chips can also switch high-frequency light into lower-pitched microwave signals. With the new technology, timing jitter, small random changes in the timing of microwave signals, something that's common in conventional systems, has been reduced down to just 15 femtoseconds. This makes the microwave signals considerably more stable and precise. As the team continues to test the compact chip, some of its components remain separate. They will ultimately integrate everything, including the lasers, modulators, detectors, and optical amplifiers, onto a single chip for incorporation into small, energy-efficient devices. Pacemakers have long been the most effective way to treat an irregular heartbeat, also called arrhythmia, a condition that can severely damage the heart, the brain, or a host of other organs. Now, a light-controlled version of the technology is advancing the treatment even further. Developed by researchers at the University of Chicago, the new wireless device is powered by light and can be implanted, along with an optical fiber, into the body via minimally invasive surgery to regulate cardiovascular or potentially neural activity. The tiny, non-intrusive system is partly based on photovoltaic technology that has been altered for biomedical uses. Specifically, unlike traditional solar cells that disperse sunlight energy throughout all cells, biological purposes require that collected light be directed at a very localized area. 2 layers of p-type, a silicon material that responds to light by creating an electrical charge, further that localization. The team says their pacemaker is a temporary solution that can be used during or after surgery and would ultimately serve as a bridge to permanently implanted technology. And that's your Photonics Hot List. Be sure to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and visit laserfocusworld.com for the latest and coolest news and information. And don't miss the new episode of our Following the Photons podcast. Until next time.